dim sum. Gal's family loves dim sum, so that's why we're always eating dim sum. So every vlog, okay, it's like we always eat dim sum. And I'll just update you later. Bye. Okay, so we are done eating our early dinner and we're currently here at CEBU because Gals will be getting his haircut. Wako kabantay ko unsay na change, wako nabantayan.
But you don't care.
It's not that I don't care, it's just it's not my hobby nga mamantay og sakyanan. Not like you, you're very pinikito when it comes to mga sakyanan, inana. If makeup, inanasag ko mo, anak ko halad ko, kakabantay akong eyeliner hait, kakabantay akong piloka, like that. Thank you. The first agenda here at SMCT is Gals will be getting his haircut. At of course, at cut and shave. Ito siya si Asok. Okay, parang ba ako nito niya akong bana.
Vlogger.
Nasa tayo yung vlogger. Pero I just realized noon sa kahandi ang GoPro, masudyo siya sa akong bag. And if mag-vlog ko, kadili ko tanawon. Which is really nice compared to bringing the entire camera and also the cell phone. It's not weird.
Picture?
Cut and shave. Hello. Balik na sad ni. Ipangita jud ka na niya last time. Before. Okay, Gals is already done with his haircut. Let me see your haircut. Wow, my sugar papi. Let me see.
Is yoga?
Let me see. I remove your face mask.
No.
So guapo, eh? Time check, it's already 8 p.m. and we're still here at SM. You cannot see here, it's your eyeglass. I really like when you got your new haircut. Every time you get your new haircut, it feels like more fresh, yummy. Let's visit our heaven. Okay, thank you. We're here at Gobi's Chicharon Special.
50.
We're having we'll eat bulaklak. Thank you. Zagu. Zagu. Ay, dito.
This food, nga puro seafood. Nga mo, giyapo na food.
Pwede baboy. Snack time.
Ikaw mo.
Wow, ginamo.
Wala na ito.
Kat kadungog na siya, Gracing. What's your plan? We'll look for ramen because tonight we will be having a ramen night. I look so hungry right now. Today's already April 19 and it really took a while for me to continue this vlog because I've been MIA lately. Sometimes gana ako mag-vlog, sometimes di ko gana mag-vlog. So yeah. Dinner time! That's to say that Ramen Saga is closed. So here is our food. I'm having pork. We're having chicken wings and open yours, babe. Sisi. Okay, so now let's eat. Hello. So Gas and I are currently celebrating our second monthsary as husband and wife. We're currently here at El Corso. We were supposed to eat ramen, but then they're closed. So we ended eating here at Relish. So far, their food is yummy. Take this. No? Hello. Time check. What time na be?
9:50.
It's already 9:52 and me and Gus are still on our way to jog because both of us has been consistent of working out lately. Na-appeal siya sa ako ang ka-OA. Pero na-improve daw yung breathing. So kanya naka-jog siya. And I'm really happy kay at least na ako ka-workout buddy all in one. So yeah. So we're gonna work out for 30 minutes. Isig pa kita-kita sa tutoy big. Proud na kayo ka. Wow. We are here at the racetrack. I'm with Mr. Artolito. Hello, UP. Uy, wow! Uy, ang ligid, ang tiil, ang kanding. Pwede ko ka-ride? 1 lap lang. Liability. Alibera. Thank you.
Lagyan ako ni mo ba?
My nails. Help, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, go.